Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about a chat application using Django framework. We know about WhatsApp, right? But this project is not about the WhatsApp but we can say that a simple chat application using Django framework. Come guys, let's start the video. This is the main project, and first we have to create an environment using you can Python -m space benv space env. Using this command you can able to create your own environment. Now let's activate the environment. Just a minute. Let's shift it into command prompt. Now our environment is activated, guys. Let's clear it. Sorry. Now we need to redirect to our project, which is a chat app. You can see here our chat app. cd is a command to redirect any of the file or any directory you want to redirect with one directory to another directory. You have to use the command cd. So I'm just copy and pasting over here. That's it. And in this project we have created an app which can be controlled for login and chat application, but now we are not discussing about login. Let's see about a chat application. I have not used any model code or database details over here because some issues. I am just explaining that what I have done in this project. This is my main project. In this project, first of all, after creating a Django app, then we have to add the Django app name over here. And also I'm using channels to communicate, like we have one from one window we can able to chat with another window, so that I'm using Django channels. I'm downloading Django channels in my project, and I'm using channels as a interpreter. Guys, make sure that it is my directory. You can see here the path which I have provided for the templates. There is also another possibility. You can also use from importing OS, you can also use os.pod.join base directory comma templates. It will be also working very well. These are the main things which I have added. After downloading ASCII applications, we have to add this one in a setting.py. We have written the code over here in our main project. You can see for the HTTP request and WebSockets, we are using WebSockets over here. Let's return to the setting.py. And these two are the redirecting pages. Now we are not using that login page, but chart application, it will be helpful to access the login page, or I'm sorry, chart application, where we are going to chat with others like that. These are a view function. See here I'm reading the chart application over here, and I also passing the contacts. This is the URL part of the app. Here we have to return the app path where we are able to log into the website or log into our chart applications. The base, all the URLs, you know about chart URL, right? Nothing but application URL. When you are creating the Django project, the URL file will be created inbuilt. In that we have to pass the here you can see that in my application, chat app is the main project of a Django. Here you can see that I have included this command path include chat URLs. That means I am including the app URL, whereas it is my app chat. In that we have url.py. In url.py we are writing the art.login as a link, external link. Like we know that after in a browser we have to type after the IP address we have to type auth /login. Then only we are able to log into the page or log or chart page like that. Okay. Here you can see that I have not written any model, or I have not used any database over here. And another thing I want to say that if you want to use a super user, like you don't know about how to log into the admin page, then you can use this command python space manage dot py space create super user. Sorry, let's work. We have to provide some names. I will give like my name is Jan, so that I will give Jan. Okay. Here you can give anything ID. I will give like at gmail.com. The password. The main thing is about the password. When you are creating a super user, you have to maintain the 8-character password so that it should be secure. And you know about hashing, right? Your password will be stored in the database like in a coded format. So that you have to provide 8-character password. I am providing JAY at 12345. Again, we have to confirm that JAY at 12345. I'm sorry, some mismatch is happened. Yeah, successfully created our super user. Let's run the code using run server. That's right. Here you can see that the link which will be provided by a Django. Using this link, we can redirect to our server. Let's click over here. It's not showing anything because we have not logged in to our admin page. Here we have not given a login page, so that we are directly logging to the admin page, and then we are redirecting to the main page. Yes. What we have created as a username JAY Jayanth and JAY at 12345. Yeah, here you can see that the groups which are already present, and another thing which I have created like now I have created Jayanth username, right, as a super user, that you can see over here. These are all the other users, user and J90. These are all the other users which are already created. Okay, you can see that you can manage the access over here. It should be active or staff member. You can provide the access. You can also provide the access, right? Come, let's move to the our web page. Let's see the output. Yeah, you can see that here is a page called Jayanth. It is of Jayanth chart page. Here you can see that there will be a login logout symbol also. And let's create another user page. I'm opening incognito. Here I need to paste the URL like IP address, and I'm logging to the admin page. I am using here another address like another username which I have shown in the previous, the same user1 as a username, and I have kept user1 at 12345. Just a minute. Yes, now it's login. You can visit over here also. Here you can see that view site. By clicking this, also you can able to visit the site. Let's make it like just a minute. Yeah, now it's working very well. Let's start with user and Jen. I'll say hi, hi. You can see that the message is received over here. You can also replay for that. You can see over here the different modes are created, like the different browsers, different browser tabs are open and different users are chatting. Here you can chat anything like how are you, it is received. Okay, you can provide if you want to provide a large amount of in WhatsApp we'll write a bleak code, right? Something we have to provide any notice or like that, we'll write 5 to 10 lines of message, right? You can also use that just take it chat app, chat chat app. Let's use the random content over here. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste over here. See here, it's looking pretty good, right? Like that we can able to access the both users. If you want to use another users, then also it is possible. Just a minute, I will use other tab like control shift n admin. From here itself I will add another user. Add user. Username is I will call as Manu, and password is Manu at 12345 and Manu at 12345. Let's save it. Just a minute, something is issue. Yes, successfully created. It is our user, and which one we are working with, this one, right? Okay, let's do control shift n. It is an incognito tab. Let's use this URL, admin page. Just log out, try to log in. What we are given, Manu, right? Manu at 12345. Just a minute. Manu at 12345. Oh, we are not given axis, right? First we have to provide an all over axis. Let's use over here itself. I will provide the axis. For you can see that the menu is created over here. For this one I have to provide all the axes, then only I can able to log into the page channel. Now I have to save this one. Has successfully saved. Now let me try to log in. Manu at 12345. As you can see that we can able to log in successfully. Let's open it in a new tab. Here you can see that the chart application of the chart page of Manu. It is a chart page of Manu, and another one is, let's see, this we have. Let's try to keep three in a same page. Let's see, if possible we try to keep three in the same page. It is user design. We have the right. Let's use server also. Let's try to use server also. Just a minute. This for chat, and it is the second one which is type. This one. We already have. You can see that. Okay, other one is this one, right? Let's suggest no other side. Yeah, it's done. Somehow it is tricky to use, but let's do it. Yeah, here you can see the three users are there. One is user one, another one is Jayant, and another one is Manu. I can able to talk, and I can able to chat with all the peoples like hi. If I send here, you can see here Manu is getting the message. If I try to send from Jan, then also I'll be going to get hi. See here. One thing you can notice that we have also added the first name of a user as a icon or a logo, like that. See here, if I try to provide like a hello, I am hello, I am Manu. If I send that, see here you can see the name as Manu, and here also the you can see that From Manu, we got a message. Hello, I am Manu. The same thing I can send here. I am a new chat box, or I am a student at VTU. You can see that I can able to see with the both user chart application, and another one is a Manu. If I try to give a long chart, then also it is possible. It will be redirect with the both the pages. Like it is in the it will be send it to user one also, and also like Jayant. You know about the group chat, right? It works the same concept. You know about WhatsApp and all. In a groups, if you send to one person, it will be redirect to all the other persons. Like as the same thing is happening over here, but it is like we know we have a broadcast, right? The same thing. You can see this. If we send they see, if we send the same message over from user, then also it will be sent to all the three. We are feeling the user interface also cool, and this is all about our project, guys. This is also been a responsive model, guys. Like if you are using any these applications in mobiles or any other devices like tab, it is fully responsive. For example, let's see with the responsive view. Here you can see that. Let's zoom it. It's a large view like responsive. Wait, it is in a 200. Let's do it in a 120. See here. For 120 it will be like this. For that we have to do, yes, this one is a perfect mobile view. You can see this type we can able to experience in our mobile application mobiles. Hi, for example, like if I send this, I can able to see the same message over here. See here, I can able to send like this is all about our mini project, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe the channel, and see you.